Our procedure to manufacture high-quality titanium scan body.
Imported machines to process raw material. Quality control with test equipment. Appearance check. Size with artwork. Tester with surface touch surface. Surface effects sustain chemical detection of attachments. Deviation is less than or less than 3% from planned scanbody action. 3 deviation 3 to 6 gram. Torque test is not less than 43 nm. 2-dimensional projectile detection. Microscopy detect chemical gap between scanbody and implant. NC deviation is not more or less than 0.3 with 5 nm. Ultrasonic cleaning. Drying. Riveting. Hot water high pressure cleaning. Dust cleaning. Vacuum titanium matrix of plating. Surface treatment of scanbody inspection is not less than 0.9 micrometer. Laser marking. Use to penetrate scanbody. Get digital impression and check some impression. Finished product warehouse packing and shipping. 13 time methods. 9 procedures. 2 processes. All 4